Hello. So we are bleeding the brakes on this BMW i3. So last week we changed the brakes on the other side, and when we got to this end, the caliper was jammed. So I had to replace the caliper. So now that we've put in a new caliper, we have to bleed. So the process will be quite quick, we hope. My wife remains in the driver's seat. She's going to push the brake, and then we'll pump, hold, and then release when we're ready to go. Okay, so let's see what happens. And we'll pump the brake and hold. Press it a few times and then hold. And hold. Okay. Now that there's pressure in there, I'm just going to so that spray, I've got something underneath. Close it up again. Okay, pump again. It's up and hold. Okay, pump again. Does it get up high again? Yeah, and is it up now? Okay, hold. I think that first release got rid of most of the air. Leave it and pump it again. Does the brakes feel good now? Yeah. Okay. It's fine. You can leave it. Okay. So that seems to contain this. I'll give it a test drive and just clean up. Now that we've bled the brakes and replaced the calipers, or replaced the calipers and bled the brakes, we're going to just do the last task, which is to top up the brake fluid. So the brake fluid reservoir is underneath this cover. It's held down with a couple of Velcro strips. Just going to put up. The brake fluid's in there. Let's just open it up. Okay, there is a max mark on the side here. We just lost a little bit of brake fluid while we were in the bleed. So we're just going to okay, so here we have our got 4 brake fluid. Just pour some in. Go.